everyone, my name is Britt, and today we're going to experiment with sound waves by making a water xylophone. This is kitchen science. In other words, we're going to use things we find in our kitchen to conduct an experiment. Here's what you'll need: 4 or more glass, metal, or ceramic containers of the same or similar size. Because we're working with glass today, we're going to get our parent or guardian's permission before we start our experiment. You'll also need a wooden spoon, a wooden stick, wooden chopstick, or a metal butter knife also works well. Something to tap the glasses with. You'll also need water. We filled up our pitcher of water ahead of time. You'll also need a measuring cup. Another optional thing to have on hand is food coloring to help us see the water line in each glass. And because we're using food coloring and water, it's good to have some napkins on hand just in case there's a little spill. And with everything here, you're good to go. Feel free to pause the video so you can take time to set up. Okay, we're ready to go. So we're going to need to pour a different amount of water into each cup. In the first cup, I'm going to pour a 1/4 cup of water into the measuring cup. We're going to increase each water glass by a 1/4 cup of water. Now's the time. If you're using food coloring, you'll add it to the water. We're going to use a little magic like that. Okay, scientists, start thinking about why things happen. We're going to start with our wooden stick and tap the jars. You can also try hitting the jar in different places. You can also try using a different object. Here we're using our butter knife. Ooh, a lot of difference in that sound. Let's go back to the one right before it. Definitely a difference in sound between those two. Let's try it again. Do you hear that? If I make a sound here, you can hear it over there. Sound travels. Sound travels through vibrations in a wave pattern called sound waves. Because there's more water in this glass, the sound waves are slowed down the most, creating a lower sound. Because there's less water in here, the sound waves are slowed down less, creating a higher sound. Do you hear the difference? This may be a science experiment, but don't forget, we're making a cool instrument that you can play. This experiment is called a water xylophone. You may have seen a real xylophone that looks something like this. Much like a water glass with more water makes a lower sound, the block with the most wood creates the lowest sound on the xylophone. This is a type of drum. Similar to our water and the xylophone, the largest cutout makes the lowest sound. You can explore different sounds by adding or taking away water from your cups. You can also explore different sounds by using different instruments to play the cups. You can also make different sounds by using different liquids. Try other things and let us know in the comments if you come up with something cool. Thanks for joining us. I hope you had fun. Let us know in the comments what other science experiments you'd like to see. And don't forget to like and hit subscribe for more videos. Parks make Long Beach. You belong here.